You've been asked to bring an appetizer, but you don't really want to cook at the other person's house. This is the recipe. It's super easy and you won't have any leftovers. It's so good. So what we're gonna do is we're taking Boursin cheese and some cream cheese and we're whipping them together. And I've already done that. Boursin cheese is going to be kind of like a cream cheese, but it has garlic and parsley and chives in this great mixture. We're just adding extra cream cheese to it and whipping it to make it really light. Spread that on the plate, and you're gonna spread that out so it's kind of a nice even layer. And depending on how thick you want it to be is how big your plate is gonna be. You can have a much bigger plate and have a thinner layer, or like I'm doing here, putting a nice thick layer of it and then working with a smaller plate. So now that I have that all spread out on the plate, I'm gonna take some cranberry sauce or relish, either would work. You could also use cranberry jam. And I'm gonna put some generous spoonfuls on there and spread it around to bring it to the edge. You can see how pretty this is already turning out. Our next layer is going to be some pistachios. And I'm just gonna sprinkle those on top. And finally, just a little dab of honey. You can either use regular honey or hot honey, depending on your taste preference. And just a little tiny drizzle of that over the top. And you are ready with your appetizer to be served. This dip is sure to be gone by the end of the party. It has the cream cheese, garlic, parsley, and chive flavor at the bottom. And then it's matched with the sweetness of the cranberries and kind of that tartness. And then the pistachios give it this just a little bit of crunch, and the honey, again, just a little dab of sweetness. You can serve this either hot or cold. Either way is just as good. And you'd serve it with some crackers, pretzels, some bread, whatever you'd like. And it makes for a great dip. It's a sure win for any get-together. Recipes at the end, and of course there's other tips, tricks, and recipes on our Sharky's Greenhouse YouTube channel. Have a great day.